Hello there, my name is Pasquale and I'm bringing you this cryptocurrency update from sunny Dubai. Beautiful Saturday. Hope you're all doing very well. And if you are, make some noise down in the comments. Tell me how is your weekend going so far. And as always, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. In this video, we'll go I'll have an overview of what's going on in general and what is my current understanding of the situation. I'll show you my small trade that I'm very iffy about, a very dangerous trade. I'm gonna show it to you just shortly and tell you exactly what I'm doing and why did I open it in general. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So first things first, let's quickly take a look at the chart. And currently in Bitcoin, we're gonna see that we have been slowed down by this support right here, which has been very important. But to be honest, I was expecting a short-term bounce upward right here, to be honest. So for that reason, I took a small long trade right from this rejection right here. But previously we had these massive rejections, very fast, very strong, like these ones right here. But now price isn't really bouncing that very much. So I'm really controlling this trade to the best. It's a very small trade, a very risky one, and the one that I mentioned at the end of previous video. So if you haven't seen it, then please check it out. And as always, guys and girls, watch my video from the beginning till the end. Only then you're gonna get any value out of these videos at all. So that's what you must do, and you always have to watch them as soon as they come out. So that you stay notified, go into the description of this video and join my free Telegram channel. That's where I always notify you guys and girls. So as for right now, I think that right now it's a weekend, Saturday, Sunday. There is no effect of Nasdaq and S&P 500. So I was thinking that currently in RSI and all those indicators were a bit oversold, obviously because of this massive drop going downward. So I was expecting some kind of a retracement to maybe 37K right there, maybe to see let's just fix this here, to see potentially a retest of the previous support of this falling wedge. So maybe right here at 36,600. So a very quick scalp trade. That's what I was thinking about personally. So for that reason, I've taken a very small trade over on Bybit, $50,000 trade. Very small profit on my side, but it's really, it's consolidating. It's moving downwards a little bit. Then if you want to be trading personally on Bybit as well, quick Bybit chill, then with my exclusive link down in the pinned comment or in the description of the video, you'll get up to $4,100 in free bonuses on top of your initial deposit. And right now, if you're going to go to a very small time frame, in for example the 15-minute chart, then you're going to see that we had some kind of a falling wedge here in this instance, which was very on point actually right here. Look at how precise this is right here. And now we broke above right here, but there is no volume, nothing is happening. So if it's going to be moving downwards real hard, and by the way, my sink and my suite is being fixed, so never mind the people in the background. I told them to be quiet, but as always, you tell people things, they don't give a shit. So, and in this instance, if we're going to go down real fast, then I'm going to close this trade with, again, as you know me, my accuracy rate in terms of trading isn't 100%, and nobody has 100% accuracy rate, but I don't really like losing money on my trades. So if it goes against me, it's going to be either a zero trade or a small loss or a small profit like the previous one. As you might remember, I told you to close your trades. So those who listened to me made some money here, and I made a little bit of money here as well. So we didn't really stick around for this painful move down. So in this instance, this is what I'm currently seeing. And just because of the weekend, I was hoping for some kind of a retracement, and since the market is a bit oversold. And if we're going to take a look at the VPVR in the daily chart especially, we're going to see that in this area we have an incredible amount right here. So let me just highlight it for you. We have an incredible amount of support in this area from the volume. So a lot of traded volume was in this area because of this right here as well. So we could potentially, we are in the middle. So, and especially we have this incredibly strong support. So for that reason, I've taken this really small trade, which is like basically, some could argue this is like basically catching a falling knife, which is actually true, but this is just a false break model, which I've decided to take. So if you want to take it over on Bybit as well, it's up to you, but it's super risky. And if it's going to go against me, I'm going to close it very fast. So that's something that you have to pay attention to and understand as well. So next thing I really wanted to quickly take a look at is the Dixie, which is the dollar index, and we're still fighting it. If we're going to take a look at a smaller time frame right here, again, we just had another rejection just now, and we are dancing around it a little bit here and there. So for now, we're still at it right here, and hopefully we're going to see some kind of a rejection going down a little bit. That would be very, very nice. It would be very nice. So for that reason, I'm thinking that there still could be a little bit of hopium in for us a little bit. And of course, if we're going to go back to Bitcoin and going to take a look at this very important chart, which we've seen so many times before. Let me go to the weekly chart right here. We're going to see that we're approaching this momentum, incredible support, which is at about 33,700, 34,000 right here, which has been very important for a very, very long time. And the only time we went below it was really black swan events like this area right here and this area right here. So oftentimes, these kinds of trades, when you're, trying to actually long a falling knife, it's extremely dangerous, but it's also sometimes gives you the opportunity to get into at the bottom, right, spot on at the bottom. But again, it's very, very dangerous. So for that reason, we still, in terms of this chart right here, we still have a way to go, as you can see right here. So for that reason, that's why I'm saying it's quite risky. But here is our area of maximum pain, which I've showed you before, which I really think that we're never going to go below this area right here unless we're going to have some kind of a black swan event. So this is very, very important. And this is the whole history of Bitcoin. So yeah, this is the current outlook, and this is what I'm personally looking out for. And this is going to be a shorter video, so let me know if you like these kinds of shorter updates of what's going on, what am I trading, etc. Let me know that in the comments, and please smash up that like button. Some people are saying that when you like my videos, your financial situation starts to improve. So the only way to check it is to test it yourself. So like the video and see if your life starts improving. And let me know that in the comments later on as well. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Peace and love. Towns Krallo. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, I almost forgot. Tomorrow, episode 6 of season 1 of Krallo Trading Show is gonna air 4 p.m. Dubai time, and I'll see you then. Ciao, ciao.